Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you exactly how to install this 10x10 goat and sheep pen. Let's dive on in. Alright, what comes with this kit is going to be obviously your panels, and then you're going to put them together using panel clamps. Super easy to put together. Use 9/16 bolt with carriage or nut with carriage bolt. The easiest thing and quickest thing is a socket or a impact drill with the socket, 9/16 socket. You're going to fly through this with this thing. So let's throw it together. I'm going to show you guys how quickly you can put it up together. Alright, we just got everything unloaded and we laid it out. It's going to be your first step. Find a spot where you're going to want your pen and lay it out for easy installation. So next we're going to dive in, get our hardware, we're clamp it all together. So let's start putting it together. I like to take the panel clamps and just lay them out where you need them so you have them exactly where you're going to be connecting them. It just makes it easy, especially when you're installing it by yourself, where if you're going to pull these panels up in a corner, grab the panel clamps, connect it. So I'm going to show you right here that the easiest thing if you're by yourself to set it up is start on a corner, a 90-degree corner. That way, once this one's set up, it'll hold itself and you don't need anybody else really to help you. So panel clamps, make sure the bolts and nuts are facing outwards. Like I said, super easy to go together. 9/16. I don't like to tighten them all the way until the very end. Alright, just a little tip, I like to save this gate till the end, mainly because you have a little bit more support on each side to hold it up. So makes it a little bit easier for you. And another little tip, it's easiest if you start with the top clamp. So you're kind of more in the middle of either the gate or the top of the panel. Because if you start at the bottom, you're going to have to deal with this kind of flopping around, and just makes it a lot easier. So remember that. Hey guys, if you liked what you see so far in our products, be sure to like and subscribe for other great videos and products. Brought to you by 7 Peaks Fence and Barn. Alright guys, we just finished our 10x10 stall made out of our goat and sheep panels. There's 3 10-foot panels, there's 1 5-foot panel, 1 bow gate, and as you can see here, the rail spacing on the bottom is a lot smaller and gets a little bigger as it goes up for your smaller animals. Could be goats, sheep, pigs, ponies, whatever you want to use it for. These are great for smaller animals. Less than 10 minutes to put together, all using these panel clamps. With an impact drill, it just flies by. So guys, this is our pen. Goat sheep panels or small animal pen, brought to you by 7 Peaks Fence Barn. Let us know if you have any other questions. All you need is some panel clamps, easy to put together.